Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we have a pallet jack that's missing one of those front small wheels. So some of these without this wheel can be noisy at times, and also it's just an operational headache for anyone using it. So we'll just be replacing this, and we're not using a new one. We'll just grab an old one from a damaged jack and replace it and feel how it moves. So stay tuned. You need a socket set so you can get the best bolt for it. So this will be linked in the description. Check it out. And that's what we're going to use to take this off. This is the left part from the broken wheel. Put those down. Get the other wheel from the other old jack and replace it. So now we have the wheel. What's left is just put it inside, easy bolt in. And there we go. We have an extra wheel, so it shouldn't be too loud right now when we use it. So let's see. Perfectly. Thank you for tuning in. See you on the next one.